Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to import products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Open up the web browser. Here, search for CJ Dropshipping. Click to open its site. See your profile. Tap on Authorization and go into Shopify. Click to Add Store. Then tap on Authorize. After that, open App from the App Store. Then click to authorize your account you have logged in with before. Now the authorization is done. Go back to the home page of the site. Click on Jewelry and Watch category from the left corner. Scroll down to see the variety of products. Tap to open any product. Click on List to add the product to your store. Then enter the required details of your store. Enter your store name as your Shopify store. Choose the product type or you can add a new product. Then enter its name, whatever you want to name it. Click to confirm. Set the collection as home page. Choose the vendor or add new. Name the vendor accordingly, then click to confirm. Now set the price of the product as $56 or whatever you want to sell it at. Write price in bulk review, then click to OK. You can see the price is set the same for all the varieties of this product. Then click to list it now. You may check the listing status in On Listing. It will be managed in Listed. If you can click to find more products. Click to find more products. Then scroll down to see the variety of products. Go to the Shopify site. Click on Products from the dashboard. Here you can see the product you added in your store and all the details related to the product. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.